Well, my little drainage pipes that are over there were getting crushed, or about to be crushed, so I got these little ramps at Harbor Freight. Actually pretty good for the price. I think it was 80 bucks. So let's see. Let's go over here. Look out, Tricks. So here's my new drainage for coming off the roof, but it also comes all the way across the yard. And goes out these pipes. Alright. So they're already kind of crushed right here. But, so I'll put these in to arch up over the top, and those supported with some stepping stones. So they're not going to eventually sag down and crush the pipe. So it's all done. I just have to get it back up the ramp. And it's not a whole lot. I mean, mainly it's downhill, but it looks like it goes up a little bit. And let's go back around. There's Trixie. She's in her cool spot in the dirt. Alright. So got the same thing over here. And supported with some stepping stones underneath. Right there. And right there. And so they come out down here. And it runs into this little sump basin. And it goes under the fence over to Tommy's side. Tommy's got a pipe over there that it connects to, and then it runs out over his back fence somewhere. So a lot of work yesterday, and I'll be able to get it back in there. And I got my cover up here. It kept out all the pollen, but now the cover is covered with pollen, so I'll have to rinse it down one day here. Alright. So, there we go. Another project almost done. Yeah, but plenty more to go. Trixie? Hey, baby. Say bye-bye.